Alright guys, welcome back to the Roll and Grill. Alright y'all, it's fall time. It's almost time for the holiday season. So I know everybody has, a lot of people love a Cajun fried turkey. Popeyes has a Cajun fried turkey, a lot of people love it. Anyway, we ain't doing all that. We're going to do something nice and simple, especially for you folks that's apartment dwellers or, you know, maybe on your own single. This is perfect for you. We're doing smoked fried Cornish hens, baby. So y'all stay tuned right here on the Roll and Grill. Yeah, boy. Alright y'all, we're not going to overthink these Cornish hens. I'm simply going to soak these in the hot and spicy Allegra seasoning, Allegra marinade, and then I'm going to follow that up. Once I wipe them off and rinse them off, I'm going to follow it up with my party dust seasoning. So, like I say, this is easy. In the bag. It's a small bird, you don't have to do a lot to it. It's a very small bird. Alright. Marinade in the bag. And I'm going to use this whole bottle. It's 3 Cornish hens, so I'm going to use this whole bottle. This is a hot and spicy one. If you're going to fry these, make sure you don't use a marinade that has a lot of sugar in it, because I think you know the results of that. So, here we go. Flip them around. Work it in there real good. That's it. Take the air out. And these are ready for the refrigerator. We're going to let them sit in there. This has lime juice and soy, so I'm going to let them sit in there for probably about 3 to 4 hours. And then we'll move on to the smoker. See y'all in a minute. Alright, as you can see, I got my charcoal chimney running. I'm not trying to kill these Cornish hens with smoke flavor, so all I'm going to do is use some good old applewood. And to burn it down a little bit, I'm just going to stick 2 nice sized pieces right there. I'm going to let that burn down, let it blacken up, let it burn off a lot of that creosote. And that's all we're going to use to get these Cornish hens smoked up. So y'all stay tuned. It's about to go down. Alright guys, just like that, 5 hours later, our Cornish hens are ready to go. So, this is what we're going to do. Cornish hens right here. I did some makeshift hooks. I just took a regular old hanger, wire hanger, and bent them up with a wrench. So, those are right there. Let's go ahead and get these ready to roll. Now, try to drain it off a little bit. Like I say, real small birds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to hang it. I'm going to try to find a good spot. I'm going to take and I'm going to hang it right here next to that backbone. And I'm going to go right through it. And that's how I'm going to hang it, just like that. Just like that, right? I don't know if you can see. I kind of went through the backbone. And I'm going to hang it just like that. So, that's one. No, I did not pat them dry. I'll do that before I put them on the grill. But I just want to give you guys an idea of how. And this is how I'm hanging them. I got a little hook there. Let me see. I'm going right through the inside. There we go. That's number 2. So we got 2 of them just like that. And they're going to hang right there on that rack. Just like that. So y'all stay tuned. Let me get these dried up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and season them up. And then we're going to hang them on the pit. Alright. Quick and easy. I'm using my party dust to season them up. I'm just trying to get as much moisture off of them as I can. Alright. Alright, if you watch my channel long enough, you know I'm a big fan of olive oil spray. So, I'm just going to spray them down real good with olive oil. It's just easier. Alright. And then, just coat them up. Keep in mind it's a very small bird, so you don't want to go too crazy on the seasoning. If you want to, you can flip it over, pull a little bit down the hole, fire in the hole, and that's it. The marinade that we used was not that salty, so you don't have to worry about that aspect of it. Okay, a little bit down the hole, a little bit on the legs, and that's 2 of them ready to go. And lastly, all right, then a little bit down the hole. All right, see you guys at the pit. All right, guys, this is very simple, very, very, very simple. Cannot overthink it. First things first, you got to hang the chickens. Now I'm gonna have it grate in here like this. Actually, I'm gonna have it in there like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang the Cornish hens. I'm gonna spread them out. That's one. That's two. And then I'm gonna hang this third one. So those are our 3 Cornish hens. Take my top off. And I'm gonna hang them right there on the top rack, just like that. Let me let y'all see. See if I can get a better view. And there they are. You can move it over a little bit as much as you want. I'm gonna get this one off the side a little bit. And there they go. So we're gonna let those hang in that pit. I'm gonna choke the fire off a little bit, because all I really want is the smoke. I'm gonna close up my dampers a little bit, and I'm just gonna let those go. We're gonna let them roll for about an hour, and see y'all back in a minute. Alright guys, it's been an hour. Now we're gonna take these out, and I'm gonna let them cool first before I put them in the fryer. But word of caution with my hooks, it'd probably be best just to wrap these in like a butcher twine first and then hook the butcher twine, because this is so thick and heavy that it actually kind of rips through the skin. So they almost fell to the bottom of the grill. I caught them just in time. So I would definitely say just wrap them up with maybe some butcher twine and hook them that way, or just put them on top of the grill, just let them smoke out for about an hour and then finish them off in the fryer. Either way is cool, but you definitely want to be careful, because I mean, it's such a tender bird that it don't take much to rip it up. So catch y'all at the fryer. Alright folks, just wanted to run something through you real quick. Now if you're gonna do multiple Cornish hens, I would definitely recommend you use this Butterball electric fryer. Money. That thing cooks like money. Turkeys, whatever you're frying, that thing is money. But we ain't doing all that. We're gonna use this nice little small Presto cooker today, because I mean I only have 3 to fry, so I'm not going to use this massive one. So anyway, let's get to it. Alright, now note to self, you definitely want to cool your Cornish hens down, or whatever you're going to fry down first. Since I just smoked it for an hour at 250 degrees, I let it cool for about 20 minutes, because I don't want to put this warm bird in that hot grease, because it's going to tear the skin up. So I'm just going to grab it by the legs. Go ahead and drop that bad boy on in there. Y'all stay tuned. I'll let you know what it look like in about, I'm probably let it go for probably about, it probably should take no more than probably about, I'm thinking 10 to 15 minutes, but we'll see. Alright y'all, just like that, 10 minutes later at 350 degrees, I got the grease set at 350 degrees. There you have it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Trying to get into it without messing up. A beautiful smoke fried Cornish hen. Look at that. The color on it is money. I'm gonna put that one up, and I'm gonna go ahead and drop the second one. Alright, and just like that, we got two smoke fried Cornish hens ready to go. Yes sir. Alright guys, so if you're trying to figure out what to do for Thanksgiving or for the holidays, you don't want to do a big turkey, this is the key. This is it right here, man. Some smoke fried Cornish hens. This is it right here, man. You can treat them the same way you treat a turkey, and you can individualize your Thanksgiving meal Everybody get a Cornish hen. Look at there. GBD, baby. Golden brown delicious. So, as always, man, I want to thank y'all for joining me here at the Rolling Grill. This is Eric. Y'all be good, be blessed, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace!